Okay, this worksheet is called Inequalities in the Real World. So I'm going to do number 1 with you, and you're going to do the rest of the worksheet on your own. So Chloe and Charlie are taking a trip to the pet store to buy some things for their new puppy. They know that they need a bag of food that costs $7. They also want to buy some new toys for the puppy. They find a bargain barrel containing toys that cost $2 each. Okay, so we're going to find the information in this problem that is important. Okay, so they buy some things for their new puppy. They know they need a bag of food that costs $7. Oops. I want to highlight. Bag of food that costs $7. Okay, so that's one price. It's a solid bag of food that costs $7 of buying one of those. They also want to buy some toys. They find a bargain barrel that contains toys that cost $2 each. So they're going to buy more than one of those. Okay? So, write an expression for the amount of money they will spend if they purchase a bag of food and T toys. So right there, they're actually telling us what our variable is. T toys. Oops. Okay? So, we're going to do $7 for the bag of food plus $2 for each T toy. 2 times the number of toys. Okay, ignore my number line there. It's in the wrong spot. Okay, that's what happens when you upload things to this program for some reason. B, together, Chloe and Charlie can spend no more than $40. Okay, so that's an important piece of information right there. No more than $40. Can they spend less than $40? The answer to that question is yes. Can they spend more than $40? The answer to that question is no. Can they spend $40? Yes. So they can spend less than or equal to $40. That's what no more than means. Okay, so those are the questions you have to ask yourself when you see those words. Can they spend less than that? Can they spend more than that? Can they spend that amount? Okay, use this information and the expression you wrote in part A to write an inequality for finding the number of toys they can buy. So we're taking this and this and putting them together. Okay, so we're going to have 7 plus 2t is less than or equal to 40. Okay. Part C is to solve the inequality and then graph the solution on the number line. And for some reason, my number line moved up into part B. Yours is in the right place. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it down here because I don't like to write over words. I'm going to draw our river, and we're going to start solving. So 7 and 40 are on opposite sides of the river, so we're going to do opposite operations. So I'm going to minus 7 and minus 7, and I'm going to get 2t, and 40 minus 7 is 33. Subtracting does nothing to my inequality, so I still have less than or equal to. Then I'm going to divide by 2, and I get t. Dividing by a positive does nothing to my inequality, and so I get t, not 2, is equal to 11.5. Okay, and then I actually have to draw my number line because I mine moved up there and I don't have room. Oops. So there's my number line. 11.5. It's a solid dot. And it goes this way. But just out of curiosity, this says T is great. Ooh, I went the wrong way. Hopefully you guys noticed that and said, Mrs. Van Buren, you went the wrong way. Because it's got to be less than. I can't buy more than that. Notice that this says 11.5. Can I buy half a toy? Can I go up to the register and say, can I please have half of this squeaky toy? No, I cannot. So you really can't buy 11.5 toys. So can I buy 12 toys with my $40? No. So I would actually have to, notice it's less than, I would have to buy 11 toys because 12 toys I don't have enough money. Okay, so really I can buy less than that, okay, because I can't buy half a toy. So 11.5 toys would be exactly $40, but I don't have, I can't buy half a toy. So I could buy 11 toys, I could buy 10 toys, 9 toys, 8 toys, okay. So just so that you know that. Okay, so that's number 1. And then, part D, explain what the graph of the solution means. Oh, and I just talked about that. So it means that you can buy less than 11.5 toys for $40, and then in parentheses I'm going to put, but you can't buy half a toy so you, let's erase that. The most you could buy is 11 toys. Okay, so that's to show you what this is about. You can hear my dogs in the background. You're going to finish the rest of these on your own, okay?